Hi, I'm Lisa and I will be your host for this video. We are about to see some of the best trades of Vladimir Ribakov during 2014 as well as a few long-term forecasts from the beginning of the year. So let's start with the annual market analysis.
Sideways move. I would expect the euro dollar to top very soon and go to the middle of this zone at least, which means I expect the euro dollar to reach something like this is the middle from here, yeah, approximately the 133 132 once again, at least. Of course, I will not be surprised if we will reach the bottom around 120 once again. I expect a top at the beginning of the year. That might be January, that might be February. I expect the pound dollar to drop right after that down to, and these are very important levels. I believe the pound will take us once again to this range, which is 160. And after creating this kind of bottom, that could be of course lower, and after creating this expected bottom, I suspect and expect from the pound, so something like that, okay, top, then down, then a bullish hidden divergence to form for the pound, and then up again for something like 180. So I believe this will be the bottom for this pair, and it will start to reverse with from there. $1 will go lower. The question is where and how exactly from. I do think we are going for this zone once again, and that's in between 086 down to 080. Here, that could begin from 158, 159. That's also acceptable, and a correction should take place down to 150, 151, 150 at least, maybe even back to 146, 145. 140 is the bottom in this case. Then I believe it will find the bottom and start the rise again. First stage would be to find the top and make the down move back to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands on the weekly chart. I am still bearish. I believe gold should and most likely would go to 1180 at least, probably even to 1100, and follow this divergence, and we'll start then the up move again.
Amazing job, isn't it? Vladimir has generated over 7,000 pips in total throughout the year from all signal sources. No doubt this was an amazing year for all club members. Okay, so let's move forward to some of the best short-term and intraday trades.
Selling growl is followed by bearish divergences, probably is the best thing to do. For gold, I believe we are going back to 1300 or do. Or we just get a break of this small consolidation zone and we go with the momentum, continuation one, protecting last small high. The targets, according to daily chart, opposite band of the Bollingers. That's where it will very likely complete band. ABCD, which means the bearish pressure is here. We should be looking for a sell opportunity. If we get one more rally inside this range and a divergence to be created, go for a sell with very small protection and huge potential profit, because I remind you, if we begin to drop, we could expect it to go lower than 167, probably come closer to 166. Be big. Alright? The alternative for this pair is a break below the support right here and the trend line. Break below both and doors open for continuation. Targets of course same, protection of course same. Alright?
The list goes on, and of course it wasn't all winners, but we are here to review the best ones. 2014 was also great, because of our club meeting in Prague, where we finally met in person, and spent an amazing and truly memorable weekend. Stay tuned for our next club meeting. The story doesn't end here. Another great contribution to the forex world was the joint webinar of Vladimir and Nikola Delic on the subject of Elliott waves. And last but not least, the cherry on the top of the cake was a triple B strategy. Well polished for all kinds of traders, freely available to trade it without our expert advisor, and extremely simple. You will find the link to the strategy in the description below. This is how we see the best of 2014. Stay tuned and follow us during 2015, because we have planned awesome things for all our followers. Join Vladimir's club by clicking on the link and change your trading attitude, results and life. Vladimir's Forex Signals and Mentoring wishes you Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!